Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Exam Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Exam Bank Login. Then on the top, click to Home Exam Bank or directly go to alberta.exambank.com. Then on the top right corner, click to Account Admin. Then scroll down a little bit, then enter your username. Then enter your password. Then click to enter. Then you should be able to access your Exam Bank account. If you have forgot your password, you can click to Forgot Your Password to get help. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.